Farmer's life, it's easy. All you gotta do is take care of the animals. Deal with Mother Nature. Hi guys, Uncut Adam here. And I don't know about you, but I'm getting sick and tired of making videos in the snow. There's really bad weather lately. Oh, I think I just saw some snowbirds. Oh, wow. Okay, it's really cold in my hands. I'm gonna put my glove back on. Wow. Snowmobilers are having fun today. I'm not. Yet, I'm having fun. I literally cannot see where I'm going right now. The wind is, it's -10 only, but it feels like -20. I gotta walk and check on the sheep and the goats in Austin. Firstly, most important, make sure their water is good. It's usually pretty good. I'm gonna climb around the gate here. Seems to be the safest way to go today. But, it's bad. So hang in there. My editing is non-existent, so my videos are choppy. Check that out. Nice, clean, good water. We're gonna go see the animals. Austin's already up and at it. Oh my goodness. If I fall, I'm worried about the sheep a little bit. So Sydney, as you've been introduced. Hi guys, stay there. 2 days ago, it was +5. What a beautiful day for BaaBaa to have her 2 babies. Here comes the herd now. How are you, Sydney? Still pregnant? Any signs? No signs. Oh, I think I just saw Sydney might be dilating. Guys, just okay. Don't mind the pen, guys. It's pretty dirty today. Any babies in here? Okay, what I'm looking for is just any babies. They're all good in here. They're all good. Okay, guys. Well, this is your place for the day. I just gotta look. Sydney. I had to check the back end of Sydney to make sure there's no afterbirth coming or any signs of her baby coming. Hi, Austin. Say hi. Why don't you come inside, Austin? Get all that snow off of you. You're gonna get more on you anyway, but... Oh, guys. Hi, guys. Hi. You still got soup in your beard there, Kevin. Yeah. Okay, well... What do you think, Austin? Yeah? Yeah. What do you think? You're a good girl. Look at how she puts her head against me. Hey, Austin. Best cow ever. Best cow ever. All right, guys, that's it for the video today. Just to check up on the animals. It's not nice out there. At least they got this nice little house to hang out in. Right, Kevin? I should bring the hay bale in here today. It's out there. What I'm going to do now is carry a bunch of hay manually from that bale right there and bring it in here and make some bedding. They'll probably eat it, but it'll give them a couple warm spots. Like I said, I have a feeling that Sydney's going to have a calf, her lamb soon. So that might help. Okay. Wish me luck, and then in a half hour I have to be in the bike shop over there.